Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 27 Silvester Street in North Ajax. This fantastic Mulberry Meadows community is an absolute gem located near to tons of walking trails. We are walking distance to local schools, parks, shops, and the best part is this freehold townhome is completely maintenance-free. I can't wait for you to see the entire home. Let's head on inside and have a look. This charming two-bedroom home is the perfect place for all first-time buyers or those looking to downsize. We have a gorgeous open concept layout here on the main floor. We have wide plank, upgraded wood flooring throughout the entire home, and beautiful light fixtures. Your kitchen overlooks both the family and dining space, perfect for entertaining. Walk out to your private balcony off the dining area. The second floor features 2 spacious bedrooms, and your primary offers a walk-in closet. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.